surprised us with various kinds of genres of movies they are experimenting with. However, we bet there might have been numerous instances while watching a movie wherein you must have said out loud, "What was that?" With so many great films, often comes a moment when nothing that's going on the screen makes sense. We present to you 10 bizarre moments of Bollywood that made everyone let out a silent gasp. Starting with one of the classic films of Bollywood, Karma. This brilliant movie by Subhash Ghai made every Indian weep. However, there is one scene in this movie which definitely tested audiences' intelligence or patience or both. When Dilip Kumar fired bullets at a wall continuously and with his excellent artistic skills made India's map with his gunshots, it made everyone cry out of despair. Well, it's not your fault if you don't remember a dud like Honeymoon Travels Private Limited. This extremely poor Farhan Akhtar production was filled with irritating characters and sequences. But there is one that walks away with the cake. We are talking about how Abhay Deol and Manisha Lamba's characters turn out to be superheroes. And the icing on the cake is they reveal their true identities to each other only at the climax scene. The blue-eyed Kapoor boy, Ranbir, has always been in news. Now, we're not talking about his publicly known love life. Even before he made his debut, this young lad managed to pop out everybody's eyeballs. How can you forget the infamous towel drop scene from Savarya? Well, the only question we want to ask Sanjay Leela Bhansali is why did he shy away from showing the world Ranbir's rear end when the frontal side was already exposed through the window he was standing on? It's painful to say, but someone has to blurt it out that thank God Elvis Presley is no more. Because had he been alive, he would have surely killed himself when he would have heard how Karan Johar murdered his iconic song Jailhouse Rock. All Elvis fans couldn't believe their ears when they heard this desi version called Something Something Jailhouse Rock from We Are a Family. It may sound a little bit harsh, but Sajid Khan never made any sense in his life. After his super hit Hey Baby, he came out with a no-brainer called Houseful. The whole movie had a distasteful humor quotient and the climax scene was completely over the top. Laughing gas is accidentally set free in Buckingham Palace in England, where the Queen is present. That too by a duo of Sardars. Seriously, Sajid, don't you have any creative ideas at all? Bollywood has always been fascinated with Hollywood's futuristic films. But filmmaker Vikram Bhatt decided that we don't need any time travel machines like Hollywood. And that's how Haunted happened. Yes, there is no explanation how Mimo travels back in time to save the damsel in distress and conveniently comes back too. Salman Khan might be busy receiving awards for his marvelous performance in Dabangg, which was one of the biggest blockbusters of 2010. However, we must say, Bollywood has finally found its clone of Rajnikant. Only Sallu Mian can pull off a climax scene where his shirt rips off its own accord as he flexes his muscles miraculously. When you watch movies like No Problem, Prince, Veer, and you think that it could not get any worse than this, and instantly Malika Sherawat appears with a hiss. The movie proved that Malika can not only ruin Bollywood movies, she can do equally worse in Hollywood movies as well. Well, it's not just movies that made us sink deeper into our chairs out of embarrassment. There are two other instances when many let out a loud scream of horror. One of them is when Saif Ali Khan won a national award for his performance in Hum Tum. As it is aptly said, just because God can't be present everywhere, he sent mothers on earth. We are sure Sharmila Tagore, who was the then chairperson of the censor board, can vouch for it. Last and the biggest board movement happened when our own Desi Firang Yana Gupta decided to go pantyless to an event. Well, if Bollywood stars continue such brazen acts of theirs, not far is the day when we have to bury our heads in the grounds. This is Sonal Vaikar for Rajshri.com.